Add little spacers. Diameter 18 mm. Remove spacer. Diameter 22 mm 23 mm. Add thick spacers. Diameter 10 mm. Back metal, non-slip and wear resistant. Detachable inner zip bag. Waterproof inner bag. Fold down 3 times. Plug in. Open the buckle, tidy up excess webbing. Metal buckle hooks the webbing loop. Before the bag design, 4 insert pockets plus zip pocket. Hang system plus DIY Velcro tape. Mounting with quick release hooks. Install bottom buckle, prevent shaking up and down. Install side buckle, prevent shaking from side to side. No worries even on the side of the exhaust pipe. Mounting with 2 side bags. Messenger bag and shoulder bag.